Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we're going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it bear market trend, what's going on with the stock market world. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Let's move to Trading View. Trading View heat map, all red, all sectors red. Nice red bearish trend. Let's move to TradingView. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup, trading, and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages. White line is SMA 200, yellow line EMA 20, red line SMA 10, and green line SMA 5. Buy and sell script indicator, MACD indicator, green line bullish, red line bearish, white line signal line. Fibonacci, bars green, bullish red, bearish, and RSI yellow line. That's all. Very simple, it's simple, but it's not easy because of the emotions involved in the trading. But if you use indicators will not have emotions and you will be successful. Just follow the market trend, and that's all. If market change direction, you have to change direction, no choices. Otherwise, if you fight with the market trend, you will not be successful. Let's start it. A daily time frame. For swing trading, I'm using daily and 4 hours time frame for entry and exit position. Let's start Qs. Nasdaq daily time frame. Red bar, red negative day. Let me see. Minus 1%. Market is still one more hour to go. Bearish trend, yeah. It was minus 1% down today. It's still positive on MACD, still positive on RSI Fibonacci. Like I mentioned, like for last few days, for several days, it has bearish divergences on all indicators. It wants to go bearish. No full confirmation yet. No, we like when all indicators align in the same trend direction. That's a full confirmation for us. So far, all indicators on daily time frame still positive, still bullish. No bearish reversal signal yet on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, it's changing direction, but still positive. MA5 still about 10. Green, MACD still green. Fibonacci change color to red. On 4 hours time frame, Qs still positive also. Qs the strongest index from my watch list. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it's already bearish reversal, right? 1 hour time frame, sell signal from the script. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. All bars, last bar closed below 20. It is bearish reversal confirmation. MACD bearish, Fibonacci, RSI, all indicators align in the bearish reversal trend. Similar was here, right? I did touched SMA 20, I'm sorry, SMA 200, white line, and it did bounce from it. We'll see this time. Will it touch 200 and bounce from it, or it will continue to do bearish trend? It is still question. Bearish reversal, bearish divergences on all indicators, on all time frames. Qs wants to go bearish. Let's move to SPX. SPX 1 hour, same. Sell signal on 1 hour time frame. MA20 even did bearish crossover over 200. Here it did also bearish crossover, and it immediately the next day it changed direction to bullish. We'll see. So far, bearish crossover, bearish reversal signal, bearish trend for SPX, for S&P 500 on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Bearish reversal, bearish signal on all indicators. Last bar below 20, 10 and 5. Bearish signal on 4 hours time frame also. Let's move daily time frame. Daily time frame, all indicators bearish for SPX. Okay, let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily time frame. Sell signal. MA5 and 10 below 20. Bearish signal. Last bar below 20. MACD bearish crossover, Heikanaichi bearish, all indicators bearish on daily time frame for Dow Jones. 4 hours time frame, similar story, sell signal, bearish trend, even last bar closed, not last bar, last 3 bars already closed below 200. MA5 did bearish crossover over 200. It is negative. It is negative on 4 hours time frame. And let's on, yeah, Heikanaichi, RSI, MACD, all indicators bearish on 4 hours time frame. Let's see 1 hour time frame for Dow Jones. 1 hour time frame for Dow Jones also bearish, and it's all moving averages below 200. It is bearish territory, sell signal, all indicators in the bearish territory and the bearish signal. It's kind of bullish divergence on Dow Jones. I told you yesterday, you see the price action is kind of downtrend. On the RSI, it is uptrend. Okay, trend still bearish. It has some bullish divergence on 1 hour time frame, but trend is bearish. IWM 1 hour time frame. Also, all IWM the weakest index from my list because on the all time frames, all moving averages below 200. Look at it on 1 hour time frame, all moving averages below 200. All indicators bearish, bearish trend. 4 hours time frame. All moving averages and bars below 200, bearish trend. MACD bearish crossover, Heikanaichi bearish crossover on RSI, bearish trend on 4 hours time frame. Daily time frame, same, moving averages below 200 on all time frames, because other indexes they have below 200, but it's only on 1 hour time frame. But daily and 4 hours they still kind of above, but above 200. And IWM has all time frames below 200. Let's see weekly. Let's see what's going on weekly on IWM. You see, even weekly below 200. It is very weak. It is very weak. Even weekly below 200. Let's see monthly. Monthly still above. Still above. About 200. Okay, bearish. IWM very bearish. Let's move to Apple. Apple daily. Apple daily, red bar, minus 1.25%, negative, bearish bar. Still, yeah, MA5 still about 10, MACD still green, Heikanaichi red. It's a mixed mode, but no bearish reversal confirmation yet on daily time frame. Same like Qs, because like all large corporations from Qs, they still kind of positive. It will take some time to make a bearish reversal for them. Okay, still bullish signal, but with bearish divergences, it means the Apple wants to go bearish. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, it's already bearish. Sell signal, MA5 did bearish crossover. It touched last bar, it touched 20. Maybe it will bounce from 20 or it will continue to go bearish. MACD bearish, Heikanaichi bearish, all indicators bearish. 1 hour time frame, definitely bearish trend. Sell signal, bearish trend on all indicators for Apple. Tesla. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla 1 hour time frame. All moving averages below 200. Sell signal, bearish crossover, bearish trend. Even Musk left CEO position from Twitter. It was positive news for Tesla, but Tesla today is negative again. It was plus 2% yesterday, I believe, right? Today minus 2%. All gain gone. Okay, bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. MACD is still positive, but all moving averages below 200. It is bearish. Yesterday, that nice bull run, it actually did push it. I believe it closed the gap. It closed the gap, yeah. Nice. Close the gap above. Was very huge gap, and this push close the gap. Now what we are going to do? We have gap below, this gap below. That's what Tesla will do. It closed gap above, and now it can continue to go and close gap below. And that's what is expectation. Expectation that Tesla will test this level around 140, 150. That's the expectation. Okay, still bearish on 4 hours time frame. Let's check daily Tesla. Yeah, this bar above it closed already. And still positive, still bullish. My 5-year bullish crossover over 20. All moving averages below 200. It is negative territory. It is bearish territory, but it's still below 200. Negative, but still indicators positive. Signal is positive, territory is bearish. That's what I mentioned about this gap. This gap will be closed. We close gap above. It's gone. Now it's time to close gap below. Alibaba Group, minus 3% today. Minus 3%, it also left the gap. It wants to close the gap below. And signal is still bullish on daily time frame, still buy signal, still bullish. Even day is negative, but signal is bullish on all indicators, right? 4 hours time frame, Alibaba Group. It left gap, huge gap down, right? Yeah, gap below island, right? Gap up, gap down. Still positive bullish trend. You see Heikanaichi, MACD, buy signal still bullish on 4 hours time frame daily, but also the all moving averages below 200, bearish territory. Same bearish territory on daily time frame, all moving averages below 200, 4 hours time frame, and let's see 1 hour time frame. It is still below 200, you see. Still below 200. Even it did so huge run, did gap up, but it was sold off and still negative. Still negative on 1 hour time frame, but on 4 hours and daily time frame it is positive. Nvidia minus 1.25. Let's start 1 hour time frame. Some gap over here. Bearish trend on 1 hour time frame, sell signal, bearish trend, right? On all indicators. Kind of far from 20, but still bearish. 4 hours time frame for Nvidia, bearish trend also. No changes. Daily time frame for Nvidia, sell signal from the script, MACD did bearish crossover, Heikanaichi. All indicators bearish on all time frames for Nvidia, and all indicators they have bearish divergences. Nvidia wants to go bearish like Apple, like Qs, like all mega stocks they want to go bearish, and they want to turn Qs to bearish direction from bull run. Let's move to dollar. Dollar today again, positive day. Yesterday was positive and today positive. That means the dollar just turned bullish. My 5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. It is bullish reversal signal. Finally, the bearish crossover started in March 14. You see, it took almost 2 months to turn to bullish reversal. Bullish reversal signal, it is bearish for indexes. That's all. Let's do summary. Like I mentioned already, Qs the strongest index, bullish on all time frames, on all indicators with bearish divergences. SPX, Dow Jones, IWM, they all bearish. IWM fully bearish, like we checked even the all moving averages below 200 on all time frames, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly now. They all on all time frames they below 200 and in bearish territory. IWM very weak, and it's a 2000 stocks. 2000 stocks. It's a condition of the USA economy. Very weak USA economy. We are ready for recession. That's time for the recession. We'll see. We'll see what will bring us. I believe we will get to recession this summer, and or maybe like third quarter. By end of the year, we'll see. I don't care. I don't predict anything. I just follow the trend, follow the indicators. That's all. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it, and remember, for educational purposes, we are using paper trading account. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. And tomorrow I will do weekly update and monthly update on Sunday. Please watch it. Thank you and good luck. Bye now.